In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a recruiter in Zoho Bookings. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to invite a recruiter so they can start using your booking system without any confusion. First, open your browser and go to Zoho Bookings. Make sure you're logged into the correct Zoho account where your organization's booking setup is configured. Once you're signed in, you'll land on the Zoho Bookings dashboard. This is your main control center, where you manage users, services, and appointments. From the dashboard, look for the section or tab related to users or team members. Within that area, you'll see an option labeled Recruiters. Go ahead and click on Recruiters. This is the place where you manage everyone who will be handling interviews, calls, or any recruitment-related bookings through your Zoho account. After clicking on Recruiters, you'll see a list of existing recruiters if there are any already added. To bring someone new into the system, look for the button that says New Recruiter. Click on New Recruiter to start the invitation process. This will open a small window or panel where you can enter the details of the person you want to add. In this panel, you'll be asked to type in the email addresses of the recruiters you want to invite. Carefully enter each email address, making sure there are no typos since the invitation will be sent directly to these addresses. If Zoho allows multiple entries, you can usually separate them with a comma or follow the format shown on the screen. Take a moment to double check spelling, as an incorrect email will mean the recruiter never receives their invite. Once you've entered the emails and reviewed them, you're ready to send the invitations. Look for the invite button and click on it. Zoho Bookings will now send invitation emails to the addresses you provided. Each recruiter will receive a link prompting them to join your Zoho booking setup and complete their profile or